Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today I am showing you a simple chicken curry which goes for paratha. So check out the ingredients. Let's begin. First, let's roast the masala powder. Here I am using 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Roast this till the raw smell goes. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil gets heated, add 2 large onions and saute it till it becomes transparent. Once the onion gets transparent, add 2 green chilies and some curry leaves into it and saute for 1 minute. Adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, now saute it for a while. Now add the chicken pieces into it. After cleaning the chicken, I just marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding 1 chopped potatoes into it and give it a good mix. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the chopped tomatoes into it. Here I am using 2 tomatoes. Mix it well. Adding enough salt into it. Mix it well and close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's blend the roasted masala. Blend it into a fine paste by adding little water into it. Now it's done. Now the chicken has half done. Let's add the grinded paste into it and give it a good mix. Mix well and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, we need to add the coconut milk for this curry. For that, let's roast the coconut for this. Here I am taking half a cup of coconut. Heat the pan and roast the coconut. Roast it till it becomes slightly brown. Now it's done. Let's blend it into a paste by adding little water. Now add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it and mix it well. Now our curry is almost done. Now add the coconut paste into it and mix it well. After that, cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes in a medium flame. Now our curry is done. Now add the chopped coriander leaves on the top of it and close the lid and just cook for 1 minute. Now switch off the flame, open the lid and add 1.5 teaspoon of coconut oil into it and close the lid. Our curry is done. Our simple yummy chicken curry is ready to serve. I am serving this curry with paratha. You can serve with naan or with ghee rice also. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks for watching.